Hi guys, so today we are going to show you 3 different chicken marinades. These are super easy and quick to prepare and can be served as starters, sides or even as curries. So let's begin. Our first marinade is Dahi chicken, for which we will need chicken. Here we are using boneless chicken. You can also use normal chicken with bones too. Begin with adding curd, ginger garlic paste, salt, turmeric powder, chilli powder, jeera powder, chicken masala, lemon juice and roughly chopped coriander leaves. Give this a good mix and keep aside. Now the next step is to add in the restaurant-like smoky flavor to your chicken. You can skip it if you like, but this would definitely take your chicken to the next level. So place a piece of coal directly on the burner and let it turn red hot. Meanwhile, place a folded aluminium foil in the center of the bowl. Now simply place the hot coal and add in a few drops of ghee. Immediately cover up with the lid and keep any weight on the top so that the smoke is trapped inside. Keep it aside for at least 20 to 30 minutes before removing the coal. Now heat some oil in a pan and saute the finely chopped onions in it until they turn brown. Now remove the coal and add in the marinated chicken to the onions. Cover it and cook. The chicken will start releasing water. Once the water from the chicken dries off, add some more water, cover and cook for another 10 minutes on low flame. You can add more water if you're making curry out of it. After 10 minutes, remove the lid and your chicken is ready to serve. Okay, so the next marinade we will call the Biryani chicken. For this, we will need to start by making a paste where the ratio of coriander to pudina would be 2:1. Start by adding green chilli, ginger, garlic and some curd to help it blend. Now simply add this green paste to the chicken and add salt, turmeric powder, coriander powder and garam masala. You can also add in the coal to this if you want to make it to the next level. Now simply saute some chopped onions in a pan till they turn brown. Add in the marinated chicken and cook like the previous one. Same drill and it's done. And here is our third marinade, for which we will start by adding a whole egg to the chicken, followed by ginger garlic paste, turmeric, jeera powder, coriander powder, salt and pepper. Mix it and let it rest for 20 to 30 minutes. Now in a pan, heat some oil and add in the chopped garlic, green chilies and curry leaves. Saute it for a couple of minutes and add in the whisked curd. Add some red chilli powder and cook till the curd shrinks and loses all its water. Now add in the marinated chicken. Cover and cook for 8 to 10 minutes. Add in a little water and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes and you're done. So here are 3 of our regular marinades that we prepare. You can eat them as kebabs or as a sides with your veggies or even with rice or roti. Do try this recipe out and let us know which one you enjoyed the most. Until next time, have a great day.